How to create LinkedIn account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can create a LinkedIn account using the mobile app of the LinkedIn. So if you are also wondering how you can do that, you can just go ahead and download the LinkedIn app on your mobile and head over and open it up. Just open it up on your device. Once you have opened it up, you will be seeing the sign-in page on your screen. So in order to create an account, you can just go and tap on sign in with email, or you can continue with Google if you want. We're going to go with the normal process of signing in with the email. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be led to the space. Here we are going to go with the normal process as I said earlier. You can go ahead and enter up your mobile number and email here. And then continue with the password. Create a password for yourself and continue with the process. And then once you have done that, you can just enter up your phone number for just quick security check. You can just go ahead and select up your country from where you belong and then enter up the phone number of your country or your own phone number and then continue with the process by tapping on submit. Once you have done that, you will be finding this space. So under here, if you are a student, you can go ahead and enable this option, but if you are not, you can just go ahead and disable it. After that, you can enter up your job if you're not a student, but if you're a student, you can enter up your university or school name and your start year and tap on next. After that, you can just go ahead with the normal process of setting up your account by answering up the question they will ask you on your screen. For example, are you looking for a job? For that, you can just go ahead and answer it. For now, I'm just skipping. After that, tap on next and you will be led to the space. So in order to finish up the setup, you're just gonna go ahead and follow up the address to see your best content in your feed. You can just go ahead and do that and finish it up. And there you go. Now your LinkedIn account has been created very easily. So that is how you create up your LinkedIn account very easily following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.